ดาวรออยู่แม้ทางไกลสักเพียงใดหัวใจฉันไม่เคยย่อท้อต้องผ่านพายุฝนผ่านคืนวันที่มืดมนลมแรงสัดสายฝนรินอาบกายต้องฝ่าคลื่นลมผจญป่าเข้าสู่ตัวงานไม่ว่าทางจะไกลแค่ไหนขอเพียงได้มีเธอความรักอยู่ที่ปลายคอ
So, what is up guys? Today, pupunta kami ng Thailand. Yes, you heard it right. Pupunta kami ng Thailand. But before anything else, disclaimer, this video is not a guide kung ano yung mga gagawin nyo papuntang Thailand, okay? Pero, this video will serve as estimation sa kung ano yung mga possible nyong magagasto at gagastusin nyo papuntang Thailand, right?
Yeah.
Earlier, kaninang umaga, 8 a.m. napagdesisyon na namin mag-commute from Jensan to Davao via bus. And yung pamasahe namin is worth
329.
from Jensan, bumaba kami sa SM Ecoland and doon kami nag-quick lunch. Gumastos kami ng 55 pesos, 119 pesos.
160 pesos.
After nag-quick lunch, nag-grab kami from SM Ecoland to Davao International Airport and nakagastos kami ng 380 pesos. Divided by 3 yun siya, guys. Pagdating namin dito, nag-check-in kami, nag-iwan kami ng mga baggage namin. Before the immigration, may binayaran kaming terminal fee which costs
900 pesos.
yun yung mga nabayaran namin so far. Again, pupunta kami ng Thailand and may kikitain kami doon.
Tatalon sa sea.
Willing
to jump.
Willing to jump sa sea kasi
Ha? Ano to?
ano nas. Sa kasi siyang OFW guys, kaya wag na natin siyang i-judge, okay? Nakalampas kami sa immigration guys. Them as a first time traveler.
That was so stressful, gabi.
Anong yung yung palang reaction mo doon?
Nerve-wracking.
Sa'yo, ano yung mga highlight questions lang sa'yo?
Saan nagtatrabaho? And then, COE, and then sino kasama, and then kailan balik, then also make sure na prepared yung mga leave of absence. Make sure much better kung printed everything, Jude.
Kasi I told them na pharmacist by profession. So, they asked for my PRC ID and pag show ko ng PRC ID dito na Jude, like, go! Like, flex. Na may PRC.
Nag-ana magud ang immigration officer nga, di man gyapon ni kabalo sa mga tambal sa Thailand. Di siya makahanap ng trabaho doon, babalik to siya dito. So, yun na siya, guys. And then, kinabahan daw sila. Kahit nga ako, di ba, second time ko. Kinabahan din naman ako.
Medyo matagal ka rin.
Yeah, medyo natagalan ako kasi parang mahigpit sila sa mga VA guys. Kasi yung mga VA pwedeng hindi na bumalik, ganyan. So, kaya medyo mahigpit sila sa mga VA. Ang tinanong lang naman sa akin kung first time traveler ba daw. Tapos, sabi ko kasi VA ako. Tapos nagtanong sila kung anong VA daw. Sabi ko healthcare VA. Ano daw tinapos ko? Sabi ko nursing. Di ba daw ako nagtrabaho dito? Sabi ko hindi kasi maliit ang sweldo. So yun, hinanapan din ako ng PRC ID and then pinakita ko yung PRC ID ko and then sabi, tingin sa camera. So, ngayon, it's already 4 p.m. and andito na yung plane namin. Ito na siya. Actually, nare-ready na siya, guys. Ayan na yung plane namin. See you in Thailand!
Welcome to Thailand!
หลายครั้งที่พลาดน้ำตานองหน้าไม่ท้อแท้เพราะเธอคือแสงสว่างคือแรงใจให้ก้าวเดิน
Turista, uy!
ต้องผ่านพายุฝนผ่านคืนวันที่มืดมน
Welcome to Thailand! Oh my God! Pangit nyo!
Ate Glo!
Blue shout.
Eso, hanggang. Yes! Okay. Version sa ako.
แต่สายฝนรินอาบกายต้องฝ่าคลื่นลมผจญป่าเข้าสู่ปัญญา
So good morning guys! We are now here at our hostel. For context, pagkakita namin kagabi, nag-quick 7-Eleven run lang kami dun sa airport kasi nagugutom na kami. And then after Bolt kami guys, kasi wala silang Grab dito. Bolt ang gamit nila. Ang Bolt costs us around 380 pesos. Tapos dumaan kami ng parang expressway highway nila. So may additional 45 pesos yon. Ay, 45 baht. Okay lang kasi mas mabilis siya. So yun lang yung nagastos namin kagabi. Gusto ko sanang i-review yung hostel namin dito guys. At least man lang ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng hostel namin. But hindi ko siya magagawa kasi hindi namin gusto yung hostel namin guys. Number one, understandable naman na common yung CR. Alam namin yun. But the problem is, madumi siya. Tapos, dito kami sa 4th floor guys. Kami lang mag-isa dito sa 3 rooms na nandito. Pero yung CR, grabe, puno ng basura. Which is, napag-decidean namin na umalis na lang dito. So, hindi ko na lang i-mention kung anong hostel yung pinagstayan namin. Kasi yung nangyari sa amin, para kaming na-catfish. Iba yung picture sa clue. Iba din yung itsura sa personal. So, sana hindi kayo mabiktima. As much as possible, lagyan nyo na lang ng budget yung hotel ninyo, guys. Huwag nyo nang tipirin yung sarili ninyo. Kasi bali na uwi kami sa 2 times booking. So, iniisip na lang namin na nag-book kami ng isang tour na hindi namin napuntahan. Kasi parang ganun din naman yung nagasto namin. Time check. In the Philippines, it's 7:56. But here, guys, since ang Thailand ay late ng 1 hour, it's 6:55. We are getting ready by 7:15. Aalis na kami. Mag-quick 7-Eleven lang. And then, diretso na kami sa aming first stop today. So, for our day 1, we have Temple Run. Pupunta kami sa Wat Arun Temple, di ba?
Yeah, Grand Palace.
Grand Palace plus Reclining Buddha. Don't worry kasi dadalhin ko kayo. Bye for now. Tatapusin ko muna yung get ready ko. Get ready with me. Okay, bye-bye. Hi guys! Papunta na kami sa taxi namin. Theme for today ay soft tones, yellow soft tones.
ไม่ว่าทางจะไกลแค่ไหนขอเพียงได้มีเธอ ความรักอยู่ที่ปลายขอบฟ้า ต้องฟันฝ่าถึงจะได้ครอบครอง แม้หนทางจะโหดร้ายทุกทนเพียงใดฝ่าฟันไปให้ถึงดวงใจเธอบางครั้งท้อบางครั้งเหนื่อยล้าแต่ภาพเธอทำให้ฉันมีแรงสู้ จะเดินไปไม่หยุดยัง้งแม้ทุกทนเพียงใด ขอเพียงปลายทางมีเธอรออยู่ ความรักอยู่ที่ปลายขอบฟ้า ต้องฟันฝ่าถึงจะ
I suggest if pupunta kayo dito, kumuha kayo ng tour guide. Kaso medyo mahal since kami lang naman. Wala kaming tour guide and then
Hindi, tanong mo na lang kay Ate Cha. Picture natin.
Tanong niyo na lang kay Ate Cha. Sino si Ate Cha? Ate Cha GPT.
So, ako muna yung baggage counter nila. Vlog takeover. Mamaya. Yan yung last natin. Kasi nga mag-pray tapos magpa-bless tayo. Nandito na po kami sa Grand Palace. Yung unang palace nila. 3, di ba? Emerald Buddha, Grand Palace, tsaka Wat Arun.
Yes.
May Emerald Buddha tayo.
Yes.
Today. Hindi, okay lang. Picture na. Dito maganda.
Hi guys, vlog takeover. So at the moment, nagpapapicture ang ating Thai Louie. So please subscribe because he's doing everything to make the vlog nice. Have our photo shots by Globee.
Sige lang.
Kasi karon sa my Grand Palace.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
I love it so much.
More ka ng close up.
Guys, sobrang ganda ng mga pictures ko. I love it so much. Thank you.
Check.
So, hi guys. Before coming here, nagplan na si Krisha ng lookbook namin for the whole duration ng trip. So today, this is our day 1 outfit. The theme is yellow, brown, soft tones, light motif, something. 1, 2, 3, go. Sawadika. So hi guys. Sobrang init. As in, pero sabi ng aming tour guide na si Globee, Kaya daw hindi nauubusan ng national costume ang Thailand when it comes to pageantry or pag kailangan ng national costume. It's because, sabi niya, because of the details ng kanilang mga
Actually,
pala.
analysis ko lang yun, guys.
I don't know if that's accurate, pero look at the details, guys. Very, very, very detailed sila. So, I don't know if that's accurate information, pero as in super ganda. Look.
One. Second, this one. Third, this one. Fourth, this one. Father, reason. Yeah. And grandson, this one. Made of bronze. And fourth generation.
Wala kaming tour guys. So nakikinig na lang kami sa mga meron, tapos nakikisabay. So yun lang naman guys. Super nice.
ทางจะโหดร้ายทุกทนเพียงใดฝ่าฟันไปให้ถึงดวงใจเธอเมื่อถึงวันนั้น วันที่เราได้พบกัน จะกอดเธอไว้ไม่มีวันปล่อยมือ ความรักที่ปลายขอบฟ้าคุ้มค่ากับทุกหยาดเหงื่อและน้ำตา คุ้มค่า ที่ได้ครอบครองหัวใจเธอ
More water, more blessing.
May nalang nakahuman na ta. Saan nagbibihis yung king?
Here. Then diba medyo elevated ang yung bahay. Kasi nga,
Ay, bahay niya yan.
hindi yung parang dressing room.
Okay.
As far as I remember. Tapos, gusto yung pinaka-the best na na-remember ko. Kasi nga elevated tapos walang stairs. Kasi yung kumukuha sa kanya yung elephant. White elephant.
okay. Wow.
Yeah.
White
Not
elephant.
sure.
Sino nakatira
Not so
dyan?
sure. Tapos dirigid na kapuyo ang mga king before. Like, diri sa ilalom na diri ang labi ng mga,
Grave.
yes.
Ito yung Starbucks nila.
Uy, Simbakel. Black sa One year lang. Want to go inside? Eh, gutom na kayo. Sige. Ano lang? Scan.
Not a lot. This cannot.
It can use it, but not on my face.
ขอบคุณครับ
มองไกลไปสุดลูกหูลูกตาที่ปลายขอบฟ้ามีดวงดาวรออยู่ แม้ทางไกลสักเพียงใด หัวใจฉันไม่เคยย่อท้อต้องผ่านพายุฝนผ่านคืนวันที่มืดมน
So I think that's it for our first place for our day 1. This is the Grand Palace and sobrang laki. Nagutom kami. Kasi number 1, di kami nag-breakfast. Diretso kami dito. Number 2, sobrang laki guys. Napagod kami and nagutom na kami. So ngayon, before kami pupunta sa Buddhist temple, maghanap muna kami ng kakainan namin for our brunch. So, see you. I'm thinking like this one or rice with crispy pork in sauce or rice with roasted red pork and crispy pork in sauce. What's yours? This one din ako. This one is siguro 7 out of 10. This one, let's try. 5 out of 5. Hi guys, kanina after namin mag-lunch, pumunta kami sa Watpo. And then
May bayad?
may bayad guys, 300 baht. And then hindi namin siya sinali sa Klook bookings namin, kaya hindi siya nasisi. So, ang makikita sa Watpo guys ay reclining Buddha, like parang natutulog lang. Instead of getting our ticket, hindi na lang kami tumuloy and pwede naman namin siyang masilip. Ang mystery doon guys sa Wat Po ay paano pinasok yung Buddha doon. So sabi-sabi ay binuo siya sa loob. Parang binuo na lang yung palace sa palibot niya. Basta alam nyo na yun. We are now going to Wat Arun. Dito kami para sumakay ng boat trip. So yeah.
ลมแรงสัดสายฝนรินอาบกายต้องฝ่าคลื่นลมผจญป่าเข้าสู่ตระหง่านไม่ว่าทางจะไกลแค่ไหนขอเพียงได้
Actually, ang Thailand sinking sila.
As in,
Nagasata na nagasata.
ang water.
Daw, anas TikTok.
ทางจะโหดร้าย
อันนั้นคือ TikTok
ทุกข์ทนเพียงใดฝ่าฟันไปให้ถึงดวงใจเธอหลายครั้งที่ล้มหลายครั้งที่พลาดน้ำ
Hi guys, we are off to this shop because we were offered to get the costumes. All of us 150 baht each. Hindi na kami guys magre-rent ng photographer kasi kami na lang since mukhang kaya naman namin to. Though wala lang kaming professional camera pero feel like kaya naman namin. So medyo malayo-layo kami guys na nilakaran. So yeah, I'm gonna pick color na babagay sana sa akin. So see you there kapamilya. Bye.
ท้อแท้เพราะเธอคือแสงสว่างคือแรงใจให้ก้าวเดินจะไปให้ถึงปลายทางที่มีเธอรออยู่ต้องผ่านพายุฝนผ่านคืนวันที่มืดมนลมแรงสัดสายฝนรินอาบกายต้องฝ่าคลื่นลมผจญป่าเข้าสู่ปัญญา
Medyo malawang yung pants ko, so in-adjust muna nila ng konti. Ay, natusok si Ganda. Ganda ni Maria. Cressy, tingin ka dito. Wow.
อ๋อลองต้องถามนะ
So, he's wearing black and gold. Partner niya si Cressy. Black and gold as well. With the red, touch of red and yellow. Sana na charot, iba pala yun. How are you? How's it going?
How's the
You're looking good.
Doing good, doing great.
Oh. Okay. This okay na?
มาโอเค
Oh, wow, you're finished. Saudi ka.
Hi guys, so nakapag-change na kami. My color is gold and black. Pair kami ni Krisha, gold and black. And then si Globy and Mariel naman ang pair for bluish gray and rose pink. See you later for our photos. Again, we got this costume for 150 baht each. Yung umbrella na accessory is 50 baht. And then yung entrance naman doon ay 200 baht. See you later, bye. Parang mali na ganitong oras kami pumunta. It's already 11:57 AM. Mukhang mali na ganito kami pumunta kasi sobrang init. Yung lighting parang hindi maganda sa pictures. Pero malalaman yan sa photography skills. Papasok na kami. Buti na lang talaga may sarili kaming payong nadala. Sobrang init guys. Half day pa lang. Pero parang may sunburn formation na sa face around eyes. Pero ito yung view as of the moment.
ทางจะไกลแค่ไหนขอเพียงได้มีเธอ ความรักอยู่ที่ปลายขอบฟ้า ต้องฟันฝ่าถึงจะได้ครอบครอง แม้หนทางจะโหดร้าย
Hi guys, dito pa rin kami sa second floor ng Wat Arun. And sobrang init na po guys. Uwing-uwi na po kami guys kasi sobrang daming tao and then unahan yung spots. At the same time, sobrang init. So, dito sa Wat Arun guys, dito yung mas malapit na mga shops na kung saan pwede kayo mag-rent. Is it worth it? Of course! The experience is very worth it guys. I love the outfit. Very Thai. Sawadee ka! After nito, uuwi kami sa aming first hostel and then lilipat kami sa isang hotel, guys.
Hey.
So, see you nila mamaya. Hi guys, I think that's it for Wat Arun. And kahit wala kaming photographer, guys, I believe maganda naman yung mga pictures na nakuha namin. Guys, parang ang slow ng oras dito sa bangko kasi kanina pumunta kami dito 11, almost 12, 11:50 plus, 11:50-ish. But now, what time? 12:54 pa lang, guys. Grabe, so akala namin nag 2 hours or 3 hours na kami doon, but no. 1 hour lang ata, no?
At saka kasi din, lilipat kami ng hotel.
Yeah, so ang gagawin namin ngayon, babalik namin to after uuwi kami sa aming original hostel. Mag-transfer kami into hotel na
Grab
binook
ulit?
na namin kagabi.
Bolt ulit?
Bolt yung Grab nila dito, guys.
May Grab
So,
pero
yeah.
mas cheaper yung Bolt. At
Yeah.
saka mas maraming choices kasi nga may premium, may, gusto mo yung may naka-sports car o pwede yung ganun yung atake.
So,
6
alam ni Globy yun, guys, kasi he's been living here for almost 2 years. 2 years
1
na ba?
year.
1 year. So, are you planning to extend?
Yeah,
Yeah, mag-extend siya dito for a year, guys.
for a year, another year.
And kahit na nag 1 year na siya dito, hindi siya pumupunta sa mga ganito, guys. Ngayon lang nakasama kami.
Kasi nga, hindi ako sa Bangkok nagtatrabaho.
Yes, in a secluded island siya,
Uy,
guys.
grabe naman sa...
Bale si Globy, nagtatrabaho sa isang island na parang 8 hours lang din ang layo dito sa Bangkok.
Ayun ang sabi niya.
So this is where we got our Thai costume beside Sangarun. Almost 300 pesos lang siya dito, guys. So that was our experience with Thai national costume. So pro tip, if you wanna do what we did in Wat Arun, advisable to come early as much as possible, 8 or 9, or in the afternoon like 3 or 4, so that it's not too hot and the lighting from the sun is not too strong. You can have a great photos. And if you want to try the national costume as well, then you can come here at the Unique Costume. If you want to get a better costume, then it depends on the price. But you can go here. Gilid lang sila ng Wat Arun. So, see you sa hostel namin. Guys, andito kami ngayon sa isang stall malapit sa Unique Costume Shop. Isa siya sa mga pinaka-excited akong i-try dito sa Bangkok, guys. Ang Thai milk tea. Yes! Hindi pwede. Yes! Basher. Hindi pwedeng hindi ako makakatikim ng authentic Thai milk tea dito sa Bangkok. So, yeah. Kapun kap. So this is it. Authentic Thai milk tea. Let's try. Matamis masyado, guys. Pero masarap. Masarap siya, kaso lang yung Thai, yung milk tea na part is not so tea, right? Saan tayo sa ano? Alay, ma! Chai. Alay, ma. Alay, mak.
Wala, uy,
Sobrang sarap, guys. I mean, hindi naman sobrang sarap, pero parang kaya naman siyang i-recreate dyan sa Pilipinas, you know. Guys, grabe. Sobrang ganda ng mga sinasakyan namin. Look. Boosh. Electric car. Sawadee ka. How much you think you will spend here in Thailand for 7 days?
15.
15. Same question.
10,000.
Ikaw.
10,000 baht.
15 baht. We will see later. So, hi guys. We are off to our hotel this time since we've decided yesterday to change our accommodation since we have a lot of issues, especially the comfort room. We are not comfortable with the comfort room, so which is a deal breaker for us. Yesterday lang rin po naghanap kami ng mapapaglipatan. This is pricier, but We have our own comfort room and complete amenities na siya with necessary toiletries and everything. Saan tayo dun, guys? Bye! Hi guys! Thank God we took the risk kasi this hotel sobrang malayo dun sa pinagstayan namin. 10 times better tapos konti lang naman ang difference, di ba? Tapos guys, ganito siya kalaki guys! Look guys! Wow, as in. Tapos pwede mag-request ng bed, guys. So dito, meron dito, dalawa dito sila, tapos may isa dito. Tapos nag-request kami ng isang bed, tapos may working station ako dito, guys. Look. Tapos yeah, I know you do. Tapos may mirror dito, may closet. Tapos may sarili kaming CR. Tapos let's check if malinis kasi yun yung problem ng kanina. Guys, malinis and mabango. Malinis and mabango. I mean, wala siyang amoy. Amoy malinis lang. Look, may heater. A breath of fresh air kasi naka-assign sa front desk, Filipino. Buti na lang nung pagkarating namin, sabi niya agad, magandang hapon, like, woo! Should I recommend this place? Of course. Kasi okay siya. Tapos within the city center lang siya, malapit lang siya. If may problem dito sa place na to, maybe masyado siyang papasok. Like, madami kang skinitang dadaanan, malayo siya sa highway. Pero guys, if you think of it, ang ganda and ang super... Patingin.
View deck.
Basta mamaya, I'll show you around. Ngayon, matutulog muna kami kasi later mag-Chinatown kami. We are here at their Chinatown. Guys, sobrang lalaki ng mangga nila. Look.
Oh my God, solong bawang.
Nagbangkok para mag-siomai.
Xiaolong by me. Xiaolong bao. Ay, hindi. Hindi siya sa Xiaolong bao.
We are just looking for a place where we can have our dinner kasi gutom na siya. Kasi gutom na po sila actually. So now, anong in-order mo?
One minced pork and then one barbecue pork.
Chai.
Check up.
Check. Minced pork siopaw. Nothing special but it's yummy. Distinct taste from Thailand. 8 out of 10.
คนเพียงใดฝ่าฟันไปให้ถึงดวงใจเธอบางครั้งท้อบางครั้งเหนื่อยล้าแต่ภาพเธอทำให้ฉันมีแรงสู้จะเดินไปไม่หยุดยั้งแม้ทุกทน
So guys, anong order nyo? Ito.
So, andito kami somewhere in the middle of Chinatown and then nandito kami.
Pick up.
Ang orderin ko dito ay to be safe. Kasi tinry ko to from 7-Eleven guys and sobrang anghang. But I'll try to say my pet, meaning
Not spicy.
not spicy, my pet. Not spicy. Again, rice topped with spicy fried pork yung orderin ko guys.
Huwag ka na talaga Gusto mo na ano?
Ano yung order nyo?
Eto, kami tatlo, ito yung... Saan ba dito? Ito, fried rice with the shrimp. Shrimp, dalawa, isang pork. Okay, Kap. Tapos, may pet na. May pet na, Kap. Not spicy as well. Same but different.
Sem but depelen.
Cha. Sa tobe.
Depelen.
Asian, no, when it comes to like, ha?
Chai.
Ha, dude? Ha? Wait lang, ha?
Guys, may funny story ako guys. Nakikita niyo yung English speaking foreigner sa likod ko. Tatlo sila, so dalawa lang yung upuan. Tapos since nasa Thailand ako, kailangan yung English mo guys, yung parang yung parang madali lang intindihin. Guys, sleepy na masyado ako guys. Nag-aantay ako sa kanila kasi umalis muna sila, bumili sila ng mga stir-fried octopus, mga ganun. And then guys, tinanong ako ng foreigner dyan sa likod, yung English speaking foreigner dyan sa likod ko na, can I take the chair daw? Alam nyo ano sinabi ko? No, why? Sabi ko, I have my comrades with me. Na-pressure ako guys, grabe. Pero yun lang naman. So, antay namin yung pagkain namin and then yung mga kasama ko. So, See you later, bye. So this is called what?
Chicken gyoza.
Chicken gyoza, ham
Bacon!
rolled, bacon rolled enoki. This
Sorry naman.
gyoza still? Shrimp gyoza, shrimp gyoza, chicken gyoza, pad thai for everything. Itadakimasu. Itadakimasu.
Yung ano, takos-takos na.
Ay,
Yeah.
ganon.
I'm not sure. Siguro Guys, parang gongcha lang.
Bitaw.
Diba?
So we are here to get some authentic Thai milk tea.
Instant.
So
Water na lang.
I'm so excited, guys. So andito kami, ang in-order ko ay Hojicha milk tea. Sana masarap kasi I bought it blindly. Blind bought. Kung sudo? Basta binili ko na wala akong idea kung ano, kung masarap ba, kung ano yung lasa. So sana naman masarap, di ba? Kanina pala guys, nag 7-Eleven kami. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog sa 7-Eleven. It's because ang daming tao. Pero ito yung mga pinamili namin. Water, masks, lace, and guys, si Mariel bumili ng mga milk, ay
Kaya
mga
ako
tea.
nahihilip.
Mahilig daw yung family niya sa mga tea sa bahay nila.
Yes.
May din ako eh.
So hi guys, this is the Hojicha milk tea. Hojicha or Fujicha?
Ano ba yung may order?
So,
Siya lang yung may order.
taste test. 70% and I got the sugar, the boba milk tea sugar, something like that.
Gongcha. Sa manang naong mo. Wala, pinkish mo.
Rug matcha man.
Yeah, kasi si Hojicha at si Matcha, parati siyang sabay, parang something na close with...
Ay, gani no? Pag mag-matcha. Masyag matcha. Meh.
Choco.
Hindi mo kan. Naging, kasi sa Tagalog sa kanto.
Kambing.
Naging kambing bigla kasi ganun yung lasa sa akin. Prefer mo. Wanna try?
Let's try.
Kasing mo.
Masarap gani mga.
Nag-ano na ko.
Sarap na.
Aloy na. Aloy ma.
Alay na.
Bye guys!
So, 2026 na guys, play ko.
ขอเพียงปลายทางมีเธอรออยู่ ความรักอยู่ที่ปลายขอบฟ้า
Fit check. Motif for today.
Black and green.
Black and green. Pero di gini siya ma-work. Black
Work
and
ni Oy.
green. By today, Ancient City, Erawan Museum, and then, so itong half day na to,
TBH.
and to be announced, TBA. TBA. So, yun lang naman guys. Now, we are looking for somewhere to eat for breakfast namin kasi kahapon, di kami nakapag-breakfast kasi late. Almost late. Nag-aga pa kami dun guys sa Grand Palace. Ending, wala kami QR code for our ticket. So, inantay pa namin, nakapasok kami 8:30. Mabuti, mabilis mag-reply yung customer service ng Klook. So, shout out to Klook. 10 out of 10. Tapos nakapag-refund din kami guys. Kasi di ba nagbago kami ng from hostel to hotel. So, yeah. Ngayon, maghanap na lang kami ng kakainan. Update ko kayo later. Bye!
ฝันฝ่าถึงจะได้ครอบครองแม้หนทางจะโหดร้ายทุกทนเพียงใดฝ่าฟันไปให้ถึงดวงใจเธอเมื่อถึงวันนั้น วันที่เราได้พบกัน จะกอดเธอไว้ไม่มีวัน
So mag-order dito guys. Sige, videoan mo ako. Yung order namin ganito. So, ang mag-order dito guys. Ani? Ani 4 na ka. Nung. Nung.
Kanina.
Nung. Chayan. Nung.
Kapong kap.
Kapong ka. 70. Same order sa lahat guys. Tapos meron siyang sauce. May free sabaw. I ordered also chayan. milk tea. Thai milk tea. Itadakimasu. Guys, we are here at the Erewhon Museum. Woo! Tapos katong, look. Tan 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 tan. Look at this guy. Look at this. Tan 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 tan.
Ako na lang mga big Marvin. Medyo makatindog, ma'am. Audio tour guide.
Tour guide na
So,
ka.
yun ang i-play. Play nyo na kasi yan. Tapos may number sila each attraction.
Okay. Recorded audio guide, something like that. So, hi guys. Andito na kami ngayon sa Erewhon Museum. And as you can see, may malaking elephant doon sa labas. But right now, andito kami ngayon sa parang cafeteria nila kung saan ka pwede mag-order ng mga pagkain. Kasi nag-CR pa muna yung mga kasama ko, si Mariel, si Krisha, and si Globy. Parang di ko naman kailangan mag-CR kaya dito ako ngayon. Nag-wait sa kanila. Since si Globy ay nagtatrabaho dito, may discount siya na 50% nung price. And then, nagka-free din kami. Hindi mo na kailangan ng tourist guide. Ito na lang, ipi-play mo na lang. Tapos hahanapin mo yung number ng isang station. Tapos ipi-play mo. Tapos parang may mag-automatic. Yung recorded, mag-play siya dito. So, see you later. Bye!
ความรักที่ปลายขอบฟ้าคุ้มค่ากับทุกหยาดเหงื่อและน้ำตา คุ้มค่า ที่ได้ครอบครองหัวใจเธอ
So, kagaya nito, number 1, ito siya. So, ipi-play namin siya dito. So, now, papasok kami dito, guys. And, common dito sa Thailand na pag may mga ganitong temple or like museums, ay, bawal mong tatlo. Kailangan mong hubad ng inyong sapatos. Pero bawal yung tatlo kung kasama kasi naka-shorts. Naka-shorts and then naka-palda. Pero may pwede daw mag-borrow doon, guys. So pupunta muna kami doon. Mabuti na lang, guys, may mabuting turista rin na tumulong sa amin at siguro doon din siya galing na nag-borrow siya ng kanyang Ayan yung turista, guys. Ay, shawl and sarong room. Thank you so much. Aakyat muna kami doon, guys. Aakyat pa kami, guys, kasi may pwede pang umakyat. aircon dito, guys. Parang ang taas-taas ko. Natakot ako. Pero guys, nakakatakot. Parang ang taas-taas ko. Tapos yung stairs parang frail. Currently guys, nandito kami ngayon sa elephant, yung nakita nyo kanina. So mamaya, aakyat pa tayo doon guys, para mas mataas pa tayo. Guys, as in, nanginginig yung paa ko. Yung stairs, narrow siya. Tapos naka-socks pa guys, like medyo slippery. Let's see mamaya. So let's go, nakapagpahinga na ako guys. Baka iniwan na rin ako nila Glowy. But, oh, maganda dito guys. So that was the peak of the elephant guys. And guys, nanginginig yung paa ko kasi sobrang taas na namin. As you can see sa taas, may isang parang temple guys, and yun lang yung pwede mong i-video, yung harap lang, pero yung mga Buddha sa gilid, hindi ko siya pwedeng picturean or videohan. So always respect their culture guys, okay? Hi guys! So, kakaalis lang namin sa Erawan Museum and nandito kami ngayon sa Ancient City. Bago kami pumasok, kumain muna kami dito sa gilid lang and i-rate namin yung food. Guys, ang daming pwede mong makita sa Erawan Museum. Ang kaso lang, hindi lahat pwede mong picturean or videohan. So, kaya medyo konti lang yung mapapakita ko sa vlog kasi nga yun yung problem. Kasi kahit na mag-videohan ko, parang napaka-disrespectful naman if isasali ko pa siya sa vlog, di ba? Like, nilagay ko na nga siya sa binidyohan ko na nga, lalagay ko pa sa vlog, di ba? So,
13
yun, so, ayun, nag-bolt lang kami papunta dito. Yung bolt is how much? Yung bolt is how much? 150 baht. So, like, around 300 pesos lang. And apat na kami maghahati-hati doon. So, okay na.
Cheap lang.
Order na kami dito. So, rate namin yung food mamaya. So, guys, as much as possible, umorder ako ng chayin or Thai milk tea. Kasi nga, walang ganito sa atin, guys. Yung authentic. So, wala. So, same kami in order, guys. Garlic
71.
garlic rice?
Garlic beef.
Garlic beef.
With rice.
With rice. And then
71.
Coke sila. Water girl.
And
Chayin.
Fire girl.
Anyway, kain muna kami, guys.
See you later.
Mamurag ka ng aparador goods tiguwang.
Tapos ano to? Like,
Ayan,
i-mix na.
Ikaw kung gusto ni mo bitsin ay asin o ka ng
Spicy.
spicy chili challenge.
Need ba dapat ito?
Yes, it's a must.
Sige. Videoan na to ang first impression.
Ano akong favorite?
Naughty gidi ay siya. Oh, amoy pa lang. Parang palabok sa amin, guys. Sa atin pala.
Huwag ka lang as much as you want.
As much as,
As much as you
Daghan
like.
na. Daghan na.
Sarap. Init. Guys, masyag palabok na udong.
Ay, lamig na rin.
Tapos tomato sauce ang gamit. So, masyag palabok na udong. Masarap tomato sauce ang gamit.
Mapalit ganit na dari.
Masarap ka ng Italian spaghetti, pero...
Ti mabash gid ko na ti.
Ah, sorry.
Dili gid.
So, ang lasa niya is, for me, okay naman siya, pero acquired taste siya. So, it's a new taste. It's a new taste for me. But it is an acquired taste. So, yun lang masasabi ko, guys.
Nana jud ang pagkaon.
Rate from 1 to 10.
Nakakaon naman gud siya.
8.5.
10 siya.
10 siya, Mai. Sa akin, probably 7. Hey guys, andito na kami. We bought our tickets. And guys, it's 800 or 1,600 pesos. Aray ko! Aray mo! The good part is, pwede siya card. And so, kinaskas! Kasi nga, yung mga bills, magtutuos na lang kami next month and the upcoming months, no? As long as my work, may pwede pang ipambayad. And then, aside from our tickets na 800 pesos, 800 baht, we got a cart, guys. The cart is worth 350 baht for the first hour, and then the succeeding hours will be 100 baht. So, ang aming driver ay si...
So guys, kailangan din sa Thailand pag mag-rent ng mga motor or ganito, kailangan mag-video para malalaman yung ano tawag condition. Tapos pagbalik,
Ay, as in?
check nila if may gas-gas, bayaran mo.
Ay, as in?
Same sa motor.
Ibalik na shock. Shock face. Shock
Club
face.
car.
Wala. Ang driver. Nag-video.
Guys, dili gentleman si Louie. Kaya ano, si Cressy ang mag-drive para sa vlog. So dapat inyo nang i-watch.
Because naman guys, ito siya, I know na gustong-gusto niya rin mag-drive. Promise. O sige, aminin mo na. Aminin mo na.
mag-rent tayo dito.
Gusto niya nga guys, mag-rent kami dito ng car sa Bangkok para kami na lang mag-drive around Bangkok. And then sabi ko, kaya mo ba? Eh, left lane. Di guys sa Pinas na right lane.
You on stop?
Where you'll
This forward. And reward. Okay. Okay. Forward and go. Stop and the parking.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Go straight on the left.
Okay. Dito na kami.
Gagi.
Dito ganito oh. Dito daw.
So dili ni ka pa sa Pinas maha basing magsugat-sugat.
Pakusga daw be, pakusga daw be.
Ano ba yun?
Papaspasa daw be.
Guys, nawa si Cressy ang gipa.
Lala, drift daw be, drift. Drift daw be.
Huwag kitang tanan. Ayun pag gaan kay ka.
Ang mitig batasan.
Diretso lang kayo, basta na kasugat, mauna na siya.
Muna na siya.
Guys, si Cressy pa drive para sa...
For the vlog, I can't
Mag-drive na siya
drive.
later.
Ito daw?
Mag-drive yan siya later. Ay, 30 lang daw.
30 kilometers daw, dili. 50 daw be, 50 daw be.
Maldita.
Ay, dili nga. Nila din yung dagat.
Ah, okay.
Gusto ni Bay Louie na
Ay, Bugalog. Ay, Bugalog.
Oh, mag-walk.
Bugalog.
Gusto ko guys, oo.
Tingnan nyo naman.
Tingnan nyo naman yung i-walk namin. Diyos ko. Walkable naman siya. The problem is, sobrang init.
Uy, etong yung map, oh.
Alam, may mga bayad.
800 na yan. May
Hello
bayad
guys,
pa.
become a real Thai for one day daw. Tapos sobrang daming pwedeng puntahan. Parang semi-hotel to siya guys na resort, no? Ano, sister, baka nakalimutan mo, left side tayo ah. Pwede pa ya.
Kaya siya dahil.
Drive siya! Driver! Drive ka rin, sister.
Isang araw, nagmamaneo sa
Cubao. So first stop, dito kami sa... San to guys? Guys, san to guys?
Drive si Mariel. Oh,
San to?
Video ako mamaya
dito tayo. Oh,
Paano
lawa.
to?
Ayun na, ayun. Uy, lapit tayo doon.
Ito na po ang aming 800 pesos guys.
800 baht?
800 pesos. Ala, suko.
Oo,
Galit.
palihog lang kay times 2 na ninyo.
Diyos ko po! Diyos ko po! Ang init! Diyos ko po! Guys, di sana kami papasok. Kaso lang, 800 baht din to. Tapos ito yung makikita mo sa reclining Buddha siya guys. So lahat pupuntahan namin kasi 800 din to guys. 800 din to. So dyan kami kanina pumasok. Dito yung pinaka first na ano namin. Lotus is their national flower daw. Tapos sabi ng audiobook doon kanina guys, yung lotus daw per leaves is 8 ata or 7, and then yung 7 na yun nagre-represent ng 7 angels ba yun sabi nila. Basta sabi nun, basta makinig, search na lang kayo. Fact check na lang kayo. Huwag kayong makinig sa akin guys kasi background music yun nila. Background music yung audiobook kanina. Grabe dito sa Thailand guys, very rich ng culture, and what I like about Thailand is how they preserved it by building temples, you know, and making it accessible to the public, because that's what makes Thailand different from other countries, no? Very visible, remarkable,
Rich in culture.
rich in culture when it comes to culture. So, love. And kahit dun sa center ng city ng Bangkok, guys, ang daming temples, no, everywhere. So, I love.
มองไกลไปสุดลูกหูลูกตาที่ปลายขอบฟ้ามีดวงดาวรออยู่ แม้ทางไกลสักเพียงใด
So, magbe-bell tayo dun, guys. Sabi ni Globy, magbe-bell daw for good luck. For good luck it is. Sobrang init. Grabe.
Grabe!
Sino na next the drive?
Si Ate Cre, ay si Ate
Meriel.
Ano,
Si Ate Meriel. Asa dito?
Yo, mo to.
1-to-1 tayo.
Ara gawas ka.
Gawas gani kayo.
Tikiti ni be, tikiti.
Tikiti kay gawas kayo. Bye. Bye. ขอบคุณครับ Left side. Okay ครับใช่ Ari magudo.
Oh, bakit siya oh? Left side ka rin.
Gani diri Left side.
Pinoy.
Pinoy kay ulo.
Asa tapat to? Wasa na yung mga nakapark.
Papupong naman eh.
Magpabula na ni siya.
So at this point guys, mag-picture kami dyan sa bridge. And then dyan si Globy. So abangan nyo na lang picture namin.
Hi guys, so ito yung nangyayari dyan. Ayan sila. Hi! So we are waiting for
My turn.
Globy Storm. And ganon yung effort that we do just to take a good picture.
Patience is a virtue, ma'am.
Oo.
Vlog takeover, guys. Andito pa rin kami sa Asian City. Ang daming attractions, pero gusto namin yung green na may parang isang mukha naman lahat. Same lang talaga. Iba't ibang kulay, ganon.
So hi guys, andito kami ngayon sa Emerald Temple ba to siya or I don't know. Pero isa siya sa mga temple and color green siya. And super chaotic nang nangyari guys kasi sobrang laki lang yung place. You think how much hectares ito?
Picture muna.
Sobra sa 1,000.
1,000 hectares siya kasi may resort siya. Madami siyang temples dito guys, mga 5 or 10.
Correction pala, more like sobrang mga 20 hectares siguro ito. Sabi ko kasi square meters, kaya nasa mga 1,000.
Okay. More than 10. Tapos guys, sobrang laki. Tapos nahirapan kaming hanapin to. And then, itong temple sa harap namin, parang sikat siya sa mga Pinoy. No? Sikat siya sa mga Pinoy kasi dito yung mga pictures nila.
Hi guys, I'm taking over the vlog and so ito kami ngayon, like we're having like this mini photo shoot. This place is super nice and it's mahangin, mainit pero mahangin, which is a good thing for a Pinoy like us, for like me. They love the hangin. And yeah.
แม้ทางไกลสักเพียงใด หัวใจฉันไม่เคยย่อท้อ ต้องผ่านพายุฝน ผ่านคืนวันที่มืดมน ลมแรงสัดสายฝนรินอาบกายต้องฝ่าคลื่นลมผจญป่าเข้าสู่ตระหง่าน
So, pupunta kami ng Ghost Museum. Nakita namin yan sa TikTok. Yung The Ghost Museum.
Ay, dirito?
Amazing. So we're gonna visit the ghost museum.
Yes. May mga sound effects daw dyan, guys. Welcome to the Ghost Museum.
Oh my God!
Over. Wala pa gandi. Lah. Guys, mas nakakatakot pa yung horror train sa Oval kasi may hahawak sa'yo. May manumbag and may manunupla pa. May manunupla pa sa Oval, guys.
No, lumapas.
So hot. Guys, enjoy namang ikutin yung ancient city. Kaso lang, super draining nung init, guys. Kahit na nag-enjoy ka sa mga views, sa mga temples, but the heat, it drains your energy. Makes you not wanting to move. Hi guys, we are here at this... Oh my god, this is so big, but we are here at the Central World. Super laki. Anong masasabi mo?
Super big!
Super big. Yeah. Kung ang story?
Gusto ko i-share. Guys, kato nag-Arabic ako sa sa Manila, 'di ba? Nag-interview ko sa US Embassy. Nag-inom mi. The whole night wala ko nakatulog. Bottom line, grabe jud siya ka-powerful.
So, by tanaw niya.
Later, you have to try.
Try kami yan later, guys. So, dumaan kami ng Joe Malone, Diptyque. Wala po. And then dumaan din sila ng Charlotte Tilbury. So, sa kapatid ko dyan, wag nang umasa, ang mahal.
Yes.
Ang mahal, grabe. Guys, it's been a while. I've been eyeing a Diptyque perfume. As in, kaso lang, sobrang mahal pala talaga. Kaya, wag na lang muna. Isang tabi ko na muna yung want ko. So, next time, Diptyque. Diptyque, I'm watching you. Manifesting na kukunin ako ng brand in the future. Manifesting, I'm just putting it out there. Kaya sana wag ma-evil eye. Okay? So, dumaan din kami ng Pop Mart pero sobrang daming tao. And then guys, wala akong binili kasi aside sa hindi ako fan, out of my budget siya. So, priorities first, okay? Kasi second day pa lang namin to dito. So, ayoko naman na maubusan ng pera hanggang day 7 pa kami, diba? Malalaman, kasi may mall day pa kami, malalaman muna natin yan next time. So hey guys, di ba pumunta kami ng
Central World.
Nag-ikot-ikot kami, pumunta kami ng Zara, Charlotte Tilbury, gano'n. Pumunta sila ng Bath and Body Works and nakabili sila ng madami worth 2,000 baht to get a VAT refund worth 7% of the total amount price, which is at least 2,000. So, 6:36 PM na guys and kakain kami dito sa KFC. And KFC nila dito guys is unlimited drinks. So hanggat magkabato ka, pwede kang uminom ng soft drinks. After nito, uwi na tayo, di ba?
ขอโทษที่ฉันเก็บซ่อนความเป็นจริงเอาไว้ต่อไปไม่ไหวร้องไห้จนฟูมฟายทำให้เธอรำคาญใจเก็บอาการไม่อยู่ขอโทษที่ฉันเก็บซ่อนความเป็นจริงเอาไว้ต่อไปไม่อยู่เกินที่มันจะทน ใจฉันควรดีใจใช่ไหม ที่เห็นเธอนั้นมีความสุขอยู่กับ